Two major developments today in the George Floyd case.
New reporting in the New York Times says Derek Chauvin was ready to plead guilty in the case, but U.S. Attorney General Bill Barr nixed the deal because he thought it was too lenient.
Also today, the judge in the case ruled against the prosecution's attempts to reinstate third-degree murder charges against all the former officers. Esme Murphy is tracking these developments.
3 days after George Floyd's death, local and federal prosecutors summoned reporters to FBI headquarters for a major announcement. After a delay of several hours, the U.S. attorney admitted she was unable to say anything.
I can only ask you to trust me that it mattered.
The New York Times reported that a plea deal fell through. Derek Chauvin had agreed to plead guilty to third-degree murder and get 10 years in prison. In return, the federal civil rights case that could have brought up to a life sentence or even the death penalty would be dropped. Chauvin's attorney is not commenting. Joe Tamburino, a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with the case, says the widely read story can only hurt Chauvin with potential jurors.
We don't know how many people this article polluted.
The other major development is that Judge Peter Cahill ruled against reinstating a third-degree murder charge against all four defendants. They will still all face second-degree murder and manslaughter charges.
How much does this ruling on third degree hurt the prosecution?
Quite a bit, because third-degree murder is a charge that does fit the case. Factually, a jury could find guilt on that, and it has less to prove.
And one of the defense attorneys agrees. Earl Gray, the defense attorney for Thomas Lane, said, "I'm happy the judge ruled that way. He made the right decision. It's not the law." Esme Murphy, WCCO 4 News.
It is still possible the four former officers could be charged with federal civil rights violations. Federal officials have declined to comment. The trial for Derek Chauvin is scheduled to start March 8th.